So today we're going to be moving and grooving. That's right. We are going to be dusting, sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping. So it seems like a lot, but it's not going to be too bad, I promise. So the first thing we're going to do is dusting. Now I have my dusting materials right here, and I want to show you two different methods I have used, and then I'll tell you which one I personally prefer. So the first one is going to be a Swiffer. And I like this particular method because it's nice. I don't have to worry about dust as soon as I'm done. I just toss the thing away and there's no more dust. So this, I'll tell you, is my preferred method. It just honestly is. So right here you have this handle. Right here you can see this is kind of where it slides in. You just slide it in, it's done. So this one is the heavy duty. I like the heavy duty because it picks it up. Sometimes I will spray it with like a Pledge or something just so it has a little bit more sticking powder, but that's this method. The other method you can use would be an ostrich feather duster. And I did use this for a while, but then I always had to take it out back and get all the dust out of it like this. Yes, it's pretty, but I find that it just seems to collect the dust and I can't ever seem to get rid of it. And I think it's so pretty that I would hate to ruin it, but it's pretty. That is what I do. And so I'm going to go ahead and take my Swiffer duster. What we're going to do when it comes to the dusting is we only want to do the outsides of things. We don't necessarily need to pick things up and dust underneath it. You'll do that when you get to that particular zone and you do a deep cleaning. Right now, we're just trying to get like the bigger stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. I will probably throw some music on because it's not really that much fun. And as we get through some of the other things, it's going to get loud anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and you're going to see me dusting. I would only take maybe 15 minutes on this. If that, you don't need to do anything wild and crazy. Don't go in the curio cabinet. So let's get started.
Rain, 우린 젖은 채로 stay 하루 종일 또 색다른 motive Hush, fame, 그 Grammy 너를 take 매일 갖고 싶어만 생각하면 높이 날아 I heard that you've been just searching for someone when you need me right now It's now or never, babe, I just wanted you to see It's natural desire, cause you need me right now, now With you, I can feel it in my body With you, I can feel it in my mind Dua Lipa extra, just tryna do more Supernova with ya Yeah, she knows I'm feeling Dua Lipa extra 나는 또 왜 언제나 Dua Lipa extra Yeah, Dua Lipa extra Tell me what you need right now I just want that Dua Lipa extra Dua Lipa extra Tell me what you need right now I just want that Dua Lipa extra Dua Lipa extra Don't tell me your last name You make me go insane 넌 또 가만히 나 놔두질 못해 I'm afraid you see 내 마음 깊이 Always running out of time yeah. Take it slow and make your mind up I heard that you've been just searching for someone when you need me right now It's now or never, babe I just wanted you to see It's natural desire Cause you need me right now
All right, so that was me basically dusting. Again, I only do just like around stuff. I don't really go under stuff. So what I'm going to do now at this point is, since all the dust that wasn't captured on the Swiffer is now on the ground. Now I need to sweep and I'm going to vacuum. So let's go for it. know that you saw all that hair. I actually swept in here 2 days ago. So all that came off within 2 days. Wild. I'm going to go ahead and vacuum off camera. It's just the rug here in the living room. We'll do all the upstairs. I will do all that another day. So when you do your mopping or your vacuuming, you only want to do the middles, just the high traffic areas, and that's it. For me, when it comes to sweeping, I have to do the whole downstairs because of how much hair there is. So if you're thinking about getting a husky, think about how much the hair there is going to be. So I'm going to grab my mop. There is going to be a link down in the description here that's going to be to the Swiffers and also to this mop. I actually did a whole video on this mop. It's the CL Dream, I think it's called. I've been on the search for a perfect mop, and right now this is actually my perfect mop, and I've had it for quite some time. So I'll be putting a link to that video down in the description, and also a link where you can get both of these on Amazon. So let me go ahead, grab my mop, and let's get to it. We're going to be doing the kitchen and the bathrooms. So again, and I'm looking in that direction because that's where my bathroom is. I'm going to do the main guest bathroom. That's the one that's downstairs. I'll be hitting the upstairs another week, not this week. I know that we're inside the master next week, so that's when I'll do my master bathroom floors. All right, let's get going.
I'm dancing, I'm popping now. My dancing is popping now. I'm dancing, I'm popping now. My dancing is popping now. I'm dancing, I'm popping now. My dancing is popping now. I'm dancing, I'm popping now. My dancing is popping now. I'm dancing, I'm dancing, I'm dancing, I'm dancing, I'm dancing, I'm dancing, I'm dancing.
floors are done. Thank goodness. So yesterday we had a pretty chill day. Today we did a little bit of cardio. If you're like me, I did cardio because that was kind of a workout, not gonna lie. So that's really gonna be it. So hopefully you enjoyed that. And tomorrow, I know we have a little bit we're gonna do tomorrow. I don't remember what it is because I'm so tired. I need some tea, but that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.